Hello students, today we are going to learn how to do light and shade. So here I am writing the title light and shade. So I already teach you how to do shade with light and dark tone. So here you can see I am starting with the dark tone and then slowly move towards medium and light. Again I am repeating that I start with light, medium and in the bottom dark tone. So I reverse it. So first one you can see from dark to light. On the top you can see the dark tone and in the bottom you can see light tone. And in second one you can see the top is light tone and the bottom is dark tone. And here in both you can see in the middle is medium tone. So now this is the basic shade. We have to give light and dark shade. And now first I am making shapes. So first I am going to make a circle. And second one I'm going to make a square. Third shape you can see I make a triangle. Fourth I'm making a cone and the fifth one I'm making a cylinder. So this I'm going to convert in square and the square one I'm going to make a cube. The third triangle one I'm going to make a pyramid. And the fourth one is cone. And fifth one is cylinder. So now in the corner you can see I am making a sun. So when we talk about light and shade, so the first thing we need the source of light. So here I am making a sun. Sun is our source of light, and you can see the source of light is coming in diagonal direction from right to left. This is our source of light. So one point you have to always remember, if the source of light is coming from right, then the shadow falls on the left side. And here you can see in this sphere I am going to divide it into three parts. If the source is on the right side, then the shadow falls on the left side. So the left part will be darker and the right part will be lighter. So here you can see the shades. I am giving the darker tone, medium tone, and light tone. And you have to merge all the tones together, light, medium and dark. And the shadow falls on the left side. So I previously talked about the light and source of light. So when the source of light is coming from right side, then the shadow falls on the left side. So here is the source of light for sphere. And in cube also you can see the top part will be the lighter part and the front will be the medium tone, and the side one, which is in the opposite direction of the source of light, it would be a darker. So I'm going given three tones: light tone, medium and dark tone. Dark tone is where the light of source is coming and the light dark tone will be on the opposite direction. And now you can see the shadow. In this also the shadow falls on the opposite side, on the left side. And one thing, shadow will be more darker, so you have to give shadow with dark black tone or the darkest tone. In cube also the source of light is same. So now in third shape, pyramid, we follow the same rule. I mark the source of light, and now you can see the front side will be lighter and the cider side will be darker, and the shadow will be more darker and shadow will fall on the opposite direction of source of light. Here in cone also, you can see how I am merging the light and dark tone. One side I make the lighter tone, the other side is darker, and the middle is medium tone. So this is how you have to make the shade in cone, and the shadow will be more darker. Same thing we have to follow in cylinder also. Here you can see first I have given the medium tone, light tone on the right side, and the darker tone is on the left side. And here you can see I'm giving the darker tone. And you can see I mark the arrow for source of light. So one thing you have to remember, shadow will always fall on the opposite direction where the source of light is coming.